Max here. So in today's video, I am going to do a quick review of my last week earnings. The thing is, on Sunday, I didn't publish my newsletter because I took a week off and I was supposed to be on vacation, but I got sick. So no newsletter, no vacation. So that's why I'm making this video. Starting off, Titano, I got out completely, 100%. So Titano was my first investment when I started this passive income journey. So I sold the remaining tokens I had on Titano for $44, and I made in total $150 in profit after getting back my investment. So in total, I made 416 because I invested 266, got back my investment, plus 150. Tor, you guys know I already lost my money there. I think I made like $60 and I invested 360. So I lost around $300. Bamboo, I got rugged, my first rug. That day I still made $10. So last week I made $10 from Bamboo, and I invested into the project 320. Word on street is that they're working with another project. So they should be maybe launching, I guess, in a month, maybe 3 weeks, a month, more or less. And that if you have your LPs or your BAM tokens or BDAO tokens, you might be able to stake them and get as a reward the new token. In the end, I don't know if that will work, because for prices to go up, we need demand on a token. And to be honest, after a rug, I don't know if we will see people purchasing the token. So I'm 50-50 with that. If I get my money back, cool. If I don't, well, okay. Next we have Power. I'm making less than 25 cents on Power per week, so I just stopped tracking it. Pirate nodes have been good. I invested $88 and I made last week $4.56. Next we have Polar, which was one of my top performers, and now I'm making per week, let's see, $7.36. I remember once I was making almost $150. As you can see, my days until return investment is 820. I don't know what they are working on. Hopefully they can bring the price back up, but to be honest, with the current market condition, it is extremely hard to a project to shine right now. So I'm not taking it as a loss because I am still making like $7, $10 per week. So I'm okay with that. But in the end, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to pull out my initial investment. Next, we have Grape Finance. Extremely happy with this project. It has been pretty stable. I am not going to be investing more in it, at least until I get back my initial investment, just because you guys know I was extremely bullish on Polar. It crashed. I was extremely bullish on Luna. It crashed. So in the end, I'm just trying to be safe and get my money back before I even think about compounding into the project. So right now the price is sitting at $1.24 per grape. I'm making around 5 grapes, more or less. So sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less, because the APR fluctuates. Right now I have 6 nodes, so I'm making around 5 grapes, and my daily income is $6.20. Weekly income around 43 cents, and monthly income 180. As you can see, my days until return investment is 42. So hopefully in around a month or a month and a half, I should get back my return investment. So last week I made $43 from the project. Next we have Amp Money, a project that I do not like. It is a cool project. I do understand it. I know that some of you do like the project, but the thing is, I have my money into the detonator, and I hate that every single day before 8 p.m. I have to claim my rewards, and be paying these fees on BNB. I would rather just claim my rewards once a week and avoid paying like 20 cents or 40 cents in BNBs. Next we have I forgot to tell. So on Amp Money, I made last week The same thing, $10. And I invested 350, I think it was. Yeah, 350. So I still have $306 more to go. Next we have Robbie. I invested, I think it was, let's see, $157 into Robbie. And since then, I've been cashing out because I do not believe in the project anymore. So I think the team is working with another miner. And to be honest, I'm kind of fed up with miners. I'm not going to be investing more in miners, at least for now, until I can find something good. So what I'm doing is just cashing out my profits, and I am not even compounding into the project. So in total, I've made $35 in profit, but last week I made, let's see, $3.10. That's all. Sphere Finance. That's another project that I really like. I sold some of my tokens, not because I do not like the project, but because I want to get back my return on investment so I can be just safe and not be thinking about it. So I was down around $52 more or less, I think 54 more or less, and I decided to sell 4,000 tokens, and right now I have a little bit more than 3,000 tokens, rebasing as usual at 1.9%. I know that they're working on some pretty good thing like Dystopia, the DEX, and they have another good news. The thing is, I do not really understand Sphere Finance because they work with things that are out of my reach, and I do not understand them. But either way, I do like the project, and I think that for the long term we should be good. So that's why I'm gonna keep cashing out until I get back that $29, just to make sure that I get back that $292 that I invested last month. And from there, I'm okay with just compounding until the price go up. Last week I made $25, but that is because I sold a big portion of my Sphere holdings. Next on the list is Vaporfi. This is another project that I do like, but I do not think that for the short term we might be able to make some money. So right now, if you're thinking about investing between Vapor or another project, I would rather just go with Grape. If what you're trying to do is just say make some passive income and just some quick money. But right now, Vapor has some really high sell pressure. If we go to the website, Vapor Nodes, will show you that I think we have over 70,000 nodes. So 70,000 nodes, and the issue with that is that if we click on nodes, I can see the amount. Oh, wait, I have to change my network first. ESC AVAX. Okay, so as you can see, I have 20,000 VPNDs. And if we click on the dashboard, you guys can see that there are 70,000 nodes. And the big issue with that is that we don't know if these nodes are 100,000 VPNDs, a million VPNDs, 10 million VPNDs. So in the end, we don't know how high the sell pressure can be on the project. So every single time that the price push to 5 cents, 6 cents, 5 or 6 cents, there is a crazy amount of sell pressure from those people that have like a million VPND and that are just trying to cash out and get some profit from the project. So for the short term, I don't think it is a good project to invest unless what you're doing is maybe throwing like $300 into the project and knowing that probably you will lose maybe 99% of your initial investment. So if it is for compounding and for the long term and you do like what they're building, then cool, invest in it. But for the short term, I don't really like it. So for last week, I made $10 from VPND. Next, we have red light nodes, and this one, they stopped giving rewards, so we are waiting for the migration. I still have like 50% left to get back my investment. So as you can see, I invested $635 and I've taken out $330 only. I think I have like 11 mentions, so I should have like 2 nodes when the migration happens. So overall for last week, I made $147, which $5 I compounded, and then 141 I cashed out. Right now I am cashing out way more than what I am compounding because most of this project I'm pretty happy with the amount that I have invested in, so that's why I'm cashing out until I can get back my investment. At the moment I am not really investing into other projects. I am still scanning, I am still reading white papers, and to be honest, there is nothing really interesting out there. There are some things like Horde, but those things are way above the amount of money that I like to invest into a single project. Like Horde is probably 1.2k, 1.1k, and I don't like to be investing that much into a single project because I already got my hit from Polar where I invested 1.4k and I got out $500 only. So that's why I'm trying to stick with my usual strategy with $300 to $500 at the most into a single project. This is all I got for this video. So there you have it. This is my weekly income, 147, but of course that is because I sold some of my Titano. 100% of my Titano and some of my Sphere holdings. Probably for next week I should be making less than $100, which is pretty normal for the current market condition. So if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and comment below which have been one of your best top performers right now in the bear market. Thank you for watching. See ya.